Luzon Farmers sa Treasures po. Nakakirayan na. Nakakirayan pa naman. Our dearly beloved Barangay Nutrition Scholars, Barangay Health Workers, and good morning once again and happy 52nd Nutrition Month celebration. On behalf of directors of the would like to extend our thanks to LTO Tanawan for accepting the challenge of hosting the joint municipal, provincial, I guess the province is also here, as well as the regional launching of the 52nd Nutrition Month celebration. Bumababa na tayo in our launching, hindi na dapat sa region to make nutrition be known for each and everyone. Thank you also for everyone for taking your time to be part of this special occasion. We are guided with our overarching theme, our PPAD, our Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition. This is our framework for all of our nutrition actions. Sa PPAD, sama-sama tayo, sapat sa nutrition, sapat para sa lahat. And the sub-theme for this year's celebration is nutrition at kalikasan pangalaga. This year's theme is powerful reminder that protecting the environment is fundamental to achieving nutrition, stronger communities, and healthier and more resilient Philippines for our present and future generations. This year's campaign highlights the connection between nutrition and the environment, emphasizing that the state of health and nutrition of our constituents depends largely on our ecosystem and resilient sustainable food system. When we talk of food system, that includes from the production until the consumption. Anything happen during the processes will affect the health and nutrition status of all our constituents. The food that nourishes us, the natural resources that supports our livelihood, all comes from our environment. We share and depend on it. This year's campaign centers on three realities. One, which we need to fully understand and recognize. Nutrition is